Alright, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. We just finished putting everything together on top and the bottom and the middle for these oil leaks here. So as you can see, the pipe there that we replaced, it's hard to see. I'll show you from underneath. Alright, it's underneath the car. Usually you start the car and it's that's the pipe I'm talking about. See that pipe there? This one here. That pipe there that we repaired that. So that pipe's back on, and we put some cable tie here to actually hold it together just in case it goes on the belt. As you can see, there's oil everywhere here, and there was no other choice but we had to actually get these oil leaks fixed. And then now we're going to take it to the actual car washer, sorry, and then mobile car washer. We're going to actually put some degreaser in here and clean everything down properly on both sides, and then bring it back, and then we're going to put on the hoist and double check for anything else to see is damaged or broken. Like, see, things like this are broken already, so that's on your cover. But the main thing is we're going to check the subframe, the brakes and everything else, but it's got to be clear so we can see what's happening. All right, just tie it up, because there's no more oil dripping down. Before there was oil everywhere. So there's no oil coming down from the top, nothing on the floor now, as you can see. That's just water. So now we're gonna wash it first. After washing, then we're gonna double check everything else, and then we're gonna get it quoted. At least the customer can take the car and drive it rather than waiting around. So this was the perfect example of checking the car properly, but don't assume anything else. A lot of people assume when they look at something and just replace it. Took me a long time to find it, but I found the problem. It's only the hose. All right, but we'll do the inspection after we clean it, and then just in case something else is broken. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.